everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Instant Pot as a slow cooker. We're going to make a pot roast with vegetables. Let's do it. I already have my pot on saute and it's already hot. I've got a couple of tablespoons of grapeseed oil inside there. Now let's season our roast and get it sauteing. I'm using a steak seasoning as well as black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. The roast is now sauteed, so let's turn the Instant Pot off. And we're going to begin to add our vegetables. I've got one large diced onion, a tablespoon of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of fresh rosemary. I'm going to add in beef broth. I added about 2 cups of organic beef broth. Now we're going to put our vegetables on top. We've got diced red potatoes and carrots and celery. Gonna put the lid on. This time we're not going to put the sealing valve on. Now we're going to turn it on our slow cook. And I want to set the time at 3 hours. I've now got it on more because I want it on cooking high on the slow cook. And I want my time at 3 hours. So you got to play with that slow cook button. That's where you're going to move it up and down for if you want it on low, medium, or high for the heat of your pot. And now we're going to let it do its thing. My Instant Pot has been cooking on slow cook for about 2.5 hours. I would normally let it go for at least 3 hours, but because we're on a time crunch today, I'm going to check it and see if it's ready to eat. Oh, smells so good. Look at that yummy plate of food. All right, it's time for a taste test. Carrots are so good. Let's try a piece of roast. That is so yummy. I do think it would be better if I could have left it in for another half hour to an hour. It would be more tender, but it is done. It tastes amazing. So that's how you use your Instant Pot as a slow cooker. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider hitting that like button. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.